Protesting against assault and harassment of doctors, National Protest Day was also observed in Tripura under the initiative of Indian Medical Association Tripura State Branch at IGM Hospital premises on Friday. Because of the dereliction in duty of a section of doctor and healthcare workers, the entire society of doctors and healthcare workers is being tarnished. This is high time to put a check on these issues. Ordinary people, including patients and their families, never expect rude behavior from those who have pledged to serve the mankind and belong to the medical fraternity. The people expect that the healthcare workers and doctors will take care of them. The patients and their families believe doctors to be equal to God. Therefore, it is also their responsibility and duty to repay the respect and honor. On the other, when asked about this, the agitating doctor said, doctors are also human beings. Physicians will be able to serve the patients only if they are healthy and safe. The doctors demanded, save the savior, stop atrocities against the doctors.
আজকাল ডাক্তারদের উপর যে বিভিন্ন জায়গায় হামলা হচ্ছে, ডাক্তারদেরকে অন্যভাবে ভাবছে, ডাক্তাররা পেশেন্টের উপকার করে না, পেশেন্টের বন্ধু নয়, এরকম এই মতবাদটাকে কাটিয়ে ওঠার জন্য ইন্ডিয়ান মেডিকেল অ্যাসোসিয়েশন আইএমের তরফ থেকে, ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য সরকারের তরফ থেকে একটা প্রটেস্ট র্যালি না বলবো, প্রতীকী আমরা একটা প্রটেস্ট করবো, সবাই কালো ব্যাজ ধারণ করে আজকে আইজিএম হাসপাতালের সমস্ত ডাক্তারবৃন্দ একত্রিত হয়ে আমরা এই মানুষের এই মতবাদের বিরুদ্ধে প্রটেস্ট করতে চাইতেছি।
Attacks on doctors and healthcare workers are not expected in any way, but because of the abusive behavior of some doctors and nurses often leads to attacks on them. Doctors and healthcare staff should keep in mind that those who come to the hospital are emotionally disturbed, anxious about whether their patient will die or survive. In this situation, the relatives of the patient expects a little human treatment, a little cooperation and service from the doctors and nurses. If the doctors or healthcare workers can feel the emotional anguish of the patients and their families before providing medical services, then such attacks on doctors and health workers will reduce to a great extent. This question is much relevant at this moment. Bureau Report, Halabol.